This is ESTV. Today we're talking to the Dragon's Tail actors, Jacqueline, Nina, and Lenna. Hi guys, thanks for joining us today.
Hi!
After a couple of years doing A Dragon's Tail, how does it feel knowing everything is coming to an end?
I think after 3 years of hard work, as it's like finally coming together and coming to an end, it kind of relieves the stress, but it's also, when we look at the last episode, it kind of makes us see like all the hard work we put into it, kind of reflect on it.
Yeah, and you can kind of see us like changing through the episodes and we kind of like grow up. And it's kind of funny to watch ourselves on camera. Like sometimes I go back when I'm bored and watch Dragon's Tail, and it's kind of funny to see what I sounded like when I was younger.
Yeah.
We had to auto tune some of the voice.
Yeah.
What moment do you remember the most and why?
Nina. She had to re-record a really simple line like 30 times.
Like to say it a certain way.
Yeah, well, like, dude.
Exactly, saying it a certain way. There was this one line that Lenna had, yes, where Mr. Rayna wanted her to say it with different expressions every time, and she just kept on saying it with the same expression every time.
Nina, we have to think of something for Jackie.
So perfect.
Can you describe your experience of A Dragon's Tail in 3 words?
It's hard. No, not really.
I think it was a fun experience. So fun. I think it could have been stressful some days, but with my friends, it was fun.
Yeah, I think it was mind-numbing since sometimes I'd stay up for a long time trying to remember the script. Even though we would have it there, it's easier if we didn't shuffle the pages. So I think that was, but I think it's also funny because we spent a lot of time, we had a lot of fun memories. And I think it's exciting because when you see the episode finally come out, you're really excited because you kind of just like feel excited. Yeah.
Well, thanks for joining us today, and we hope you all have a good holiday.
Thank you.
Well, that's all from me this time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.